morning, everybody. I hope everybody is well and having a great day. Me and Brindley are enjoying our ride this morning. Y'all, I wonder why my crepe myrtles ain't blooming. All these crepe myrtles are blooming everywhere I look. And mine are not blooming, and I don't know why. They bloomed last year. Those bricks. I wished I had those bricks right there. I could make me a really nice flower bed. My dad used to make some real pretty flower beds. He had designed the bricks, dig down in the ground and put them different ways. My brother made a beautiful patio one time with old bricks. I made a sidewalk. Oh, there's that dead snake in the road. Oh, I'm glad he's dead. He still give me chill bumps. They've resurfaced this road. Y'all pray Texas gets a little rain. Pray it in my area. Be specific. I need some rain at my house, y'all. All this watering's for the birds. That's the part I don't like about gardening. Sometimes I like to go out, y'all. I get barefooted, just like if I was a kid. Spray the water on my feet, walk around, get grounded, with the earth. Oh, it's relaxing. But when it's so hot, it's not fun. But that used to be, I used to look forward to that when I worked and was inside all day. I loved going home and watering in the evening. I'd take my shoes off, go out barefooted, and it was really relaxing. A good way to, those beautiful crepe myrtles, a good way to shake the day off, I'd go in and feel so rested. I know Miss NonnaGrace, if y'all don't follow her on YouTube, her and her husband's been practicing with grounding, and I don't know if it's helping her. She really hasn't said yet, but she got a machine you plug in. But her husband's been grounding outside barefooted, and y'all, I've always believed it helped me. I have gone down to the creek. I was telling her many times, and put my feet in the sand, sat down on the sand bank and put my feet in the sand to relax. And it helps. It helped me. But when God made us, we were barefooted and we didn't have shoes. Shoes come later. They started wrapping their feet with leather and different things. But in the beginning, we were barefooted walking on the earth. And I do believe it's all connected. If you study it out, look it up. Look it up online and read about it. I was telling NonnaGrace that I've watched a lot of videos about cities, businesses, big corporations. They have sandboxes on top of their buildings in the city, and they allow their employees to go up and sit on their break with their feet in the sandbox. I don't know if it's Chinese or Japanese. I don't remember what I saw, y'all. It's been a while back since I studied up on that. Well, some years actually, because I've been doing it a long time. But one of those places do it a lot too, but I don't remember which one. But I have some other friends that definitely believe in it and walk barefooted outside in the sand and the grass. But I try to, when I water, walk barefooted for grounding. And in the winter, that's when I sit at the creek bank on a sunny day when the sand is a little bit warmer. Of course, Texas, don't have long, really cold spells, So there's a lot of days through the winter months that you can sit in the sand. And I do. I just go down and sit in the sand or take a chair and just bury my feet in the sand and just sit there. But some of y'all might want to try that. Y'all, I've said this before, even if you don't believe God can heal you, just the power of your mind, the power of thinking. I mean, look it up. It's science, The power of thinking positive gets you through so many things. And even if it's just something, you sitting there and you're thinking that's helping you, it's helping you. So, the mind is a funny thing. But I've watched a lot of those videos, and I think people not being connected to the earth, grounded, causes a lot of health issues. Y'all, Brinley is asleep in the back seat. She's so funny. Y'all, look at those beautiful skies, those beautiful pine trees. East Texas. It's hot and humid, but it's a beautiful place, y'all. It's a beautiful place to be. You have a lot of pine trees, and then you have areas where you can, see further open spaces. But I love all the trees, y'all. I love the trees on my road. They still haven't cut them yet. They've been working some miles down the highway from me, cutting the trees, so they'll get around to it one of these days. I knew it wasn't going to be anything that was going to happen quickly. Because it's like a 20 or 25 mile stretch of highway that they're going to be working on. But I'm going to jump off here, not bore you too much. Me and Brinley love y'all. Try grounding, y'all, and check out NonnaGrace. She's from Western New York, I believe I said that right. And she has chickens, and she does a little bit of cooking. She does healthy cooking. And her husband Jim, they have motorcycles, and she's a pretty cool lady. And he's helps her do her videos, and they're usually both talking in the videos. He videos a lot, but you do see him in the videos some. But Jim, and it's Jim and NonnaGrace, but the channel is Nonna, Nonna Grace. And if I can remember, y'all, I forget to put the links when I mention somebody. I apologize for that. I just don't ever think about it. I just don't think about it. There's no excuse. But anyway, check her channel out. She's a sweet lady, and her videos are always pretty quick, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Y'all be blessed, and say your prayers. And me and Brinley will see y'all in the next video.